To our recycling factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how used plastic bottles are transformed to beautiful, high-quality carpets. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing factory tours.
The bottles are washed to remove dirt, labels, glue, and any remaining impurities before recycling. The bottles are shredded into uniform plastic flakes, preparing them for melting. The melted plastic is purified and transformed into high-quality recycled pellets.
These recycled fibers become the foundation for durable and beautiful carpets.
Advanced weaving machines create detailed designs with incredible precision.
Every carpet undergoes strict quality inspections before packaging.
And that's how millions of plastic bottles are transformed into beautiful carpets. Thanks for watching.